front cradle damaged on your baby Q. I'm going to show you how to replace it. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Now don't forget, everything you use in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. So make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so in today's video, what we're going to be doing is changing the cradle on my baby Q. Right, so whether you've got a baby Q or a 2200, this is a really easy thing to replace. So what's happened is mine's broke where the igniter goes, and every time I light it, I get a shock basically because I have to hold it. I have to hold it in and light it, and sometimes if I touch the cables, I get a shock. So I've had to order a new one, and what we're going to do is dive in and get this replaced. Now it has got the side tables. If you've got the side tables, it's probably a little bit trickier, but it's not too bad. You've only got 4 screws to disassemble it, and then obviously you've got to change your hose regulator over and your igniter. So what we're going to do is dive into it, and I'll show you how to replace the cradle and how to replace the igniter and everything in it as well. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Well, so what we've got is we've got the baby Q here, and you can see it's all loose. So I literally have to put my fingers behind there and hold it to light it. And 9 times out of 10 I end up touching this wire at the back here and getting a shock, which sort of wakes me up. Right, so what we're going to do is replace this whole frame. We're going to disconnect this. We're going to disconnect all the hose assembly as well. And you're going to have to strip it right down because you've got your side plate. So you can leave these on. We're going to light on its back, but you're going to want to put a rag on the floor so you don't damage your Q. So what we'll do is get the grill out, take the top off, and jump in and start taking it apart.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it.
So you're just going to gently pull this out. So you twist, and it should just come through. Try not to snag your wires. There we go, and out she comes.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
Right, now don't forget, everything I use in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Also, I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial. And as you can see, it's a really simple thing to do. If your Weber is under 5 years old, Weber will replace those parts for free. You get a fantastic warranty with them, as you can see. Really, really good service, and that's really what you're paying for. People think Webers are expensive, but you are getting that 5-year warranty with it, and you can see the benefits of having a 5-year warranty. Right, so again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any cool episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.